Good morning, folks. We're out in the garden today and we're getting this grow box ready for sweet potatoes, and I wanted to take the opportunity to discuss with you the two alternating rows in the spacing that they require. I've seen some folks that are doing this incorrectly, and what they're doing is they're actually cheating themselves out of total production. They're cutting their total production in half of what it should actually be. Now, I've got this set up. I've got cabbage to put in today, so I've got these blocks set up like we're going to do our cabbage. In one row, I've got the 4x4 blocks, and in the other row are the 2x4 blocks. Cabbage requires a 12-inch spacing in two alternating rows. And I'm getting that information off of the garden planting details sheet. If you don't have one yet, all that information is on there. You can go to the Mittleider Gardening Facebook group, join the group, go into the files section from a computer. It does not work from a tablet or a phone, and you can find this document in there and print it out, and it will tell you the spacing for all of the plants that you're going to be putting into your garden. All right, anyway. Assuming that my blocks out here are cabbages, they require two alternating rows and a 12-inch space. That space is between plants that are in the same row. So 12 inches between the 4x4 blocks and 12 inches between the 2x4 blocks. If you do 12 inches from the 4x4 block and go down a foot to the 2x4 row, and put a plant there, you are going to cut in half the amount of plants that you should have in that row. The 12 inches is in the same row. Now, this 2x4 here is 12 inches from the end of the box. Estimated, those aren't, I didn't measure that out, but 12 inches from that 2x4 block to the edge of the box, and we're about 6 inches here, and that's just setting them up so that they're in an alternating row. And that is done for a crop that will get larger in diameter as it grows: cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower. So not all of your plants are going to be that way, and again, you'll find on your garden planting detail sheet that's not going to show up. I'll try and put up a screenshot on the computer, but it will tell you the spacing for the plant, how many rows, and whether or not those two rows need to be alternating or not. Alright, pretty quick and dirty. It's not that hard. I just wanted to clarify and answer the question for the few folks in the group that had asked. Thanks for watching my videos, as always, and if you have any questions, just let me know.